wherever you are, join us this morning as we boldly praise our Father, knowing that in Him we live, in Him we move, and in Him we have our being. Hallelujah. Colossians tells us that in Him dwells the fullness of the Godhead. And He's in us. He's our hope of glory. So this morning we want to declare He's the resurrection power. He's our confidence. He's our strength. He's our refuge. He's the reason we are here today. He has kept us from January, February, March, April, May, June, and brought us triumphantly to the month of July. Half of the year is gone, and the latter will be greater than the former. If you believe that, join us this morning as we clap our hands and we raise our dance and we raise our song to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords.
Hallelujah.